Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Glad to see you here. Today want to talk with you about the investment in stock market. This is absolutely amazing opportunity to make extra income, and everybody knows that investment can give you great income, and it can be passive income because your money working for you, and the big companies worldwide known working for you. Now, I want to share with you one platform that I love so much, because this platform gives me the opportunity to make money worldwide from any place in the world. I just need to sit in front of my laptop or even my cell phone. This is absolutely crazy, and I want to show you this platform. First of all, I want to show you my portfolio. Right now I have 65,000 of income from my investment, and let's say that I'm doubled my investment for $31,000. Of course, if you don't have such big amounts of money, it's no big deal, because you can start literally with $10 on this platform, and you can buy assets for small amounts. And in that case, anyway, you'll be growing and you'll be profitable. I want to show you that here on this list, you should press the stocks, and there's plenty of companies that are worldwide known, and I'm sure that you know the Tesla company, for example, Amazon, Facebook, Apple, Nvidia, Spotify, and all those companies. You can be a part of this company. This is absolutely crazy. For example, Twitter. I bought some Twitter stocks, and I am the owner of Twitter, the small owner, but the owner, and all the companies working for me, in general, yeah. And the stocks are growing, and I bought it right here in this spot because this was the great spot for buying. I bought it, and right now my current profit is 392%. Just think about it. My investment was $1,000, and right now it's $3,700. Just think about it a little bit. Of course, I left the link in the description panel of this video. You can find it to get to the platform where you can buy stocks of a lot of companies. Right now, 185 companies. 185 companies. And if you'll invest for $10 in some company, and you know that this company will be on the market, it will not disappear, like Twitter or McDonald's. There's worldwide known companies, and they're old companies. There's plenty tools to invest in small and new startups, but I prefer to invest in companies that I know and that I believe. I believe in this company. For example, right now the Coca-Cola company, I've lost a little bit of money, but it will grow for sure, because if you scroll out, you can see that there was great falling, and the bottom is here, and now the company is growing. So the logical thing, that company will be somewhere here in a week, for example. There's a couple of ways to make money on stock market. You can buy and sell stocks of any company. For example, I can close when the asset opens. I can close this asset and have my minus, but I don't want to. For example, this one company, I bought it right here, and right now it brought me 20% of profit, like in one day. It's like about day. The problem is, if you're gonna hold these stocks for a long time, for a year for example, you will get the dividends, and this is more extra income. So you become an owner of a company, and company sharing all the profit between the stakeholders, and you are the stakeholder of the company. This is absolutely amazing. Like Visa company, for example. Right now, this platform gives you opportunity to make money like 24/7, and there's a couple ways of trading with the stocks. First of all, you can like buy stock in some spot or sell if you know that the company is falling down, for example. You can like sell the stocks and get your profit and close your deal, so you'll be without the stocks. Or you can make this actions daily. For example, you know that for example Tesla company will show their brand new car like tomorrow, and you can think that the stocks will be more expensive tomorrow. So you pressing the buy button, you buying some stocks, and tomorrow when the presentation is over, you can close this position and you can fix your profit. This is absolutely crazy, but I prefer to hold the stocks for a long time because the price of the stocks is changing all the time. Some news from the company or like sales, you know that there was a falling almost in a lot of companies. We can see such kind of movement. Okay, right here, and you know that company was on the bottom and it will grow and it can get like such heights. This is amazing because if you trading like daily, you have the small profits. For example, where's my, I bought the stocks today, and right now this position brought me 3% of income. I can wait like for an hour or two, or I can close this right now and I'm getting my profit. But I know that this company will grow, that's why I'm pressing buy. For example, for 1,000 I'm pressing buy, and I'm gonna wait while this stocks will grow in their price. That's it. It's pretty simple. And think about it like the ownership of the company. So right now this sports company is like mine, and it can be yours. You just need to go to the description panel of this video, find the link to get to the platform. This is IQ Option Platform. I love it because it's simple, it's easy, it's transparent, and I feel convenient to recommend this platform to you. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you did, kindly asking you to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more information about investment, about how to make money online. Do that, press the notification button, not miss my all new videos that I'm making just for you. Thanks, and see you in the next videos. Bye.